Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress on the free version of Webuzo VPS control panel. If you don't know how to install this Webuzo on your web server, then check out our another videos where we have mentioned how to install Webuzo on a Linux machine. Webuzo has free built-in Softaculous installer from where you can install multiple software, multiple scripts from here only. If you click on blog, then you will find WordPress. Click on this WordPress. Now once you will click here and click on install now, it will show you WordPress cannot be installed in the free version of Webuzo. Here it is giving you option to enter something, but in the last if you will click on install, then it will give you this error message. WordPress cannot be installed in the free version of Webuzo. So how to install WordPress? Let's see. Click on this Webuzo logo. It will open the home page. From this home page, click on File Manager. Now here you will have to enter the username and the password. If you don't remember the password, then you can reset this File Explorer password from here. Click on this Change Password. Then in the Set New Password for File Manager, enter some password. Click on Change Password. The password is now changed. So your username is this one. And password is whatever you have just set. Click on Login. Then click on this www. Here you will have to download the WordPress zip file. So click on this upload icon. Then click transfer from another server. Now search WordPress download. So this is the website wordpress.org. Click on this link. And here it has the button to download this one. Right click on this download WordPress and then click on copy link. Go back to your file explorer, paste the link here and click on save. So this will download this file to this folder. Right click on this and then click on extract. So now the files of this zip file is extracted here. Either you can keep this inside this folder WordPress only, or you can move it outside this folder. It's your wish. Let's move this to the root folder. Select all. Then right click and then click on move. From here remove the folder WordPress and click on create. So all this file will be moved back to the root folder. Now when you will click on this www, all the files are present here. Now you don't need this latest.zip file. Click here and then delete this file. Also this folder is not required WordPress. Delete this also. Now you will have to set a database for this. Go back to your Webuzo control panel. Click on this logo. And from here click on this phpMyAdmin. So this will open phpMyAdmin, which will connect to MySQL database. Here it will ask you for username and the password. So if you don't remember the username and password, go back to your control panel and again go back to the change password. Then from here you can set the password for the root user of MySQL. Enter some password. Now go back to the phpMyAdmin. Give here the username root and the password you just now set. Then click on go. So it will open the MySQL database. And here you can see that multiple schemas are already created. So you just have to create a new database for WordPress. Click on this new and then here give the name. This you can choose anything. I will be choosing UTF-8 General CI. And then click on create. So this created database. Now we will use this database for our WordPress installation. So this is the IP address of the WordPress because we have moved all the files to the root folder. Copy this IP address, paste it here. So WordPress setup is opened. Here you can select any language, then click on continue. Now it will ask you for database name, username, password and the host. Click on let's go. And here database name, whatever the name that you have given here. So we have given the name as WordPress. Whatever the name you are giving, this name you have to enter it here. And the username is root for your MySQL, and password, whatever the password that you have given, that you have to enter it here. And the database host, keep this as local host. This is the table prefix. Table prefix means it will append all the table with this name wp underscore. Now click on this submit. Once you will click on this submit, WordPress says that it is able to connect to your database and it is ready to install it to your server. Now click on this run the installation. Now here you will have to give the site name, the name of your WordPress site. This is the username that will be able to log into your WordPress database admin panel. Give this some name, password, anything you can enter. And then if you are choosing very weak password, then you will have to select this confirm use of weak password. Email address, you will have to give either your email address or whoever is the admin of this website. This you don't have to select, because if you will select, then Google will not list the content of this website in the Google search result. If you want this to be searched on Google, then don't select this. Then click on install WordPress. Now see, it is installed. Click on this login. Give the username and the password. Now you can see here WordPress is installed in the free version of Webuzo, and this is your website address. If you want to change this to domain name, then you will have to register for domain, and you will have to come back to this Webuzo control panel, and from this control panel you will have to click on this add domain, and you will have to enter the domain name here and the folder, the WordPress folder, and then click on add domain. Then you will be able to open this website via that domain name. For now it's IP address only. Now we are able to successfully install WordPress in the free version of Webuzo. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. If you do not like, then please comment so that we can improve. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos.